Dear friends, now in this session we are going to learn that how to cancel a GST registration, and make sure that before cancelling the GST registration, three things to be remembered. The first one is that ensure that all the previous GST returns are filed. There is no pending returns to be filed. And the second thing, ensure that there is no tax liabilities or pending to pay. Ensure that all the taxes are already paid. And the third one, should have a proper reason for the cancel the GST registration in easiest way. So very simple. First, log into the GST portal by using your company's username and password. After once log into the GST portal, and after that just go to services, next registration, and the next one is that cancellation of registration. Just go to services, registration, and next one is that cancellation of registration. Services, registration, and next application for cancellation of registration. So when you click on application for cancellation of registration, system will open total 3 pages. The first page is that basic details, and the second one cancellation details, and the third one verification. In the first page, that is basic details, before filling the page you may see that the total profile filled only a 0%. So in the first page, in the basic details page, you need to confirm 2 things. One is address for principal place of business. Now the business is located in Shabashpalli village and Medak district, and now the system is asking you address for future correspondent. That means we are cancelling the registration in the current location. If any tax official want to meet you, where they can meet you. So the system is asking you to update the address for future correspondence. So if the current address and address for future correspondence is same, you may simply check out the box. Make sure that before filling the data, it is showing the profile only 0%. Now we are going to fill the data, and the address for principal place and address for future correspondence is the same. So I'm just simply checking the box. If it is different, you need to fill the data manually, and simply click on save and continue. When you click on save and continue, you may observe that your profile has been increased to 34%, from 0 to 34%. And the second page is that cancellation of detail. You need to enter the proper reason for cancellation, that why you are cancelling your registration. The reason depends on your end. Are you simply closing the business, or is your company seized by any tax official, or is your company is going to amalgamate in any other company? Just select the proper reason about the cancellation. So I am selecting simply a discontinuance of business, and we are going to cancel the business from the day of current date. So I am just going to enter the current, and that is 1st of October. So next, the system is showing some available balance. Yes, I have around some few balances is available in my taxes paid. In my credit balance, it is showing some 181 rupees is there, even 60 rupees is there. So payment from electronic credit ledger, there is some balances are available, but I cannot apply for refund, because now as per the GST new rules, you cannot apply for refund if it is less than 1000 rupees. Now there is some 60 rupees and 180 rupees is there, but now I am not applying for refund, because I cannot apply for refund if it is less than 1000. So simply I am just confirming my cancellation of registration application. So just confirm your declaration, and just simply select name of authorized signatory and confirm the place. Just click on submit with the EVC, or even submit with the DSA. DSC stands for a digital signature certificate, is compulsory for only private limited companies and LLPs. So now it is not compulsion for this company. So I'm just simply confirming submit with the EVC. EVC stands for electronic verification code, to be delivered to the mobile ID and the email address. So I'm just going to confirm the same OTP that which I received. So then you simply click on validate OTP. Yes, thanks for your submission. System will verify, validate the information submitted, after which acknowledgement will be sent in next 15 minutes. So this is how we cancel the GST registration. Thank you.